Multiply 127 by 100 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. The third partial product is 12,700. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. In the thousands column, 0 plus 2 is 2. In the 10,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 12,700. So 127 times 100 is 12,700.